Malaysia. Your sister's leaving you. Malaysia, look. Don't be so serious. It's not even a real car. Mariah, where are you going?
Wow, Mommy.
I see. I don't know why your sister came this way. There you go. You ran it. And you lost your shoe. Here. You got it? Great. Put this, or hold it. You run into the wall again. Malaysia, foot is right there. You. What are you doing? Y'all had a crash. Now get back on. Here, give me your shoes. Cause you only got one of them on. Here. There. Now put your feet on the right way. Your sister left you, look. I just put it on. Put your feet on there. Just give me the freaking shoes. You're not riding it right. Yeah, right. But you're not riding it right. Look at your sister all the way over there. Slow down for the speed bump. It's broken, so you might make it. Yep, you did. Stop trying to look back at me. Malaysia got up on the sidewalk. Wave, Malaysia. Or not. Alright, let's see if you can do what your sister did. Come show her how to do it. Dun, 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 dun. Lele to the rescue. Come. Yeah, show her how to do it. Why are you pushing it? Malaysia, you're gonna fall. Let go of it. Where are you going? Here, no, go this way. Here, get up. Get up.
Mommy.
Now get on it.
Okay.
You better turn at the corner. There you go. Yeah. You gonna run into the sidewalk again? There you go. Sidewalk bound.
Mommy.
What? No, I'm not gonna keep putting it up here if you're gonna keep coming off. Come over here, Malaysia. You're going the wrong way. Okay, Mariah's off-roading. Too bad. This is not a real car. Not going to work out the right way. Okay. Yeah, Mariah's leaving you because you went the wrong way. Yo, these fuckers hit my baby. Go ahead. You looking. Turn. My lady got caught on a broken speed bump. Go. You cheated. Mariah's way up there.
I'm Mariah.
Way up there.
Mariah.
She's up there by the car. Go get her. Look. She over.
Shoes.
Yeah, her shoes over there. But look, she's all the way over there.
Oh.
You can't catch her on your feet. No, put your shoe back on your foot. Hurry. You're losing her. You going the wrong way. And you left your car. Why you? No, go get your shoes. What? She. Joel, say hi to my camera. You already on it. Calm down.
What's up? And this one is the baby I see. Hey, baby in charge.
You don't even know how to say it. Shut your lip. Get your car. She gonna come all the way around. Come on, Mariah. You're going the wrong way. Come this way. Come off the sidewalk, Mariah. And there's Malaysia, trying to catch her. It's gonna take her forever. And it's, oh, you fell. You got it? Yeah, you got it. Go that way, towards the house. It's hot. Let's go get a popsicle. And look at your feet. Yeah, go home. No, honey, you gonna hit a parked car. There's a ticket. Go straight. Oh, where's your sister? There's Malaysia. No, you're going the wrong way. You can't hit people's cars. Because your plastic car does not cost as much as their real car. I know they was over there. Yeah, go get your shoes on. Go that way, Malaysia. Miss Farr, you're going the wrong way. That way. So turn it around and meet me at 33. Why the hell is he beating on the window like that? I saw him. I don't know why he was beating on the window, but I saw him. Huh? I don't know. There's something wrong with him, though. No, he's beating his teddy bear on the window. Aren't you a big helper? Yay. What? Look, you missing your shoes. Go get them. Get off. Go get your shoes. And I'll be recording for 10 minutes. It's time to go. Hot. Ding, ding, ding. Not really. Your shoes on the wrong feet. Your 4th of July flip-flops. Here, look. Show everybody your 4th of July flip-flops. But that's the wrong feet, so switch them. Good job. 4th of July flip-flops with purple and green. Stupid fruity flag. Where you going? Are you swerving, Malaysia? What'd you say? Okay, it is stupid hot out here. The sun's not even out. Supposed to be going to a party today. I fell asleep. And then, why are y'all going to the dumpster? Mariah, it's a boogeyman back there. Oh no. Yeah, I know. People sold grocery carts. Mariah!